Hello everyone, welcome to PS Form and Design. Today we are going to see how can we make flat looking sketches look 3D. Why do flat sketches look weak? One big reason is uniform line weight. When every line is the same, the eye sees a flat sticker, not a form. But line weight isn't decoration. Heavy lines trap shadows, light lines catch light. This is how you build 3D volume on a 2D surface. Master the pressure, control the weight, and your sketches will breathe. Line weight isn't just about making a drawing look pretty, it's a visual language that tells the eye how to read 3D form on a 2D page. No need to constantly swap pens here. All four weights are controlled simply by hand pressure and overlapping strokes. Here the breakdown of the essential line weights, followed by a live application on a backpack sketch. Time to apply this logic to a backpack sketch, keeping our light source coming from the front top. Step 1. Construction light pressure. Work on the proportions with ghost lines. Think of the product as transparent object. Soft lines leave total freedom to refine without ruining the page. Step 2. Surface detail. Medium line. Increase pressure slightly. Add counter lines to define surfaces flow and hatching considering light source. Cross contours inside the mesh pockets to define material curvature. Structure and lighting logic. Dark time to overlap and build line weight. Because the light comes from the top front, keep light facing top edges thinner and apply firm overlapping strokes to the bottom and under edges. Add more line weight on the main outer silhouette. Top main compartment flap and where straps cross over the back body. Step 4. Extra dark line weight. Heavy pressure for the darkest spot. Target the baseline of the bag plus under the pocket flaps where no light reaches. Also the closest edge to the viewers to create depth. Look at the difference when this logic is applied. Comparing a single weight drawing to light to dark line weight hierarchy shows how the forms immediately gain volume. The focal points pop and the depth reads instantly, even without adding color or rendering. Mastering hand pressure and lighting logic will completely transform your sketch pages. Apply this logic on few more sketches. Watch till the end to see how it can be applied to different ideation sketches of the bag. Hit that like button, subscribe for more product design tutorials, and drop a comment for the next product that needs a tutorial. See you in the next one.